Okay, so in this short video, our task is to group our records into uh, sales per country. So we have a sales record which has the country and the sales, that the total amount that was made in each country. So our task is to group or to find the total sales for each country. So to do that, we will use the group by syntax in SQL. So group by is used to group records depending on a specific column. So without wasting much time, I will just paste the code. So this is what we have. Select country, then into brackets sum. So sum is an aggregate function that will sum all the total amounts per countries. Then we want to name the column as sales. Then we are selecting it from the table sales. Then we want to group it by the column country. So let me run this script and see how it goes. Okay, so you see that we have an output of the sales that was made in each country. So this is how you can use group by to find the total sales made in each country.